Most Flybridge yachts make you choose open air or open salon. The Galeon 640 Fly refuses to compromise. Built by Galeon Yachts in Strassen, Poland. Engineered by Tony Castro Yacht Design. Composite construction with carbon-reinforced structure, stiffness without the weight. Twin Volvo Penta D13 diesels, up to 2,400 horsepower combined, top end 30 knots, cruise 23 knots, 991 gallons of fuel, 68 feet 3 inches overall, beam 16 feet 5 inches, fold the hull sides out and she opens to 24 feet 3 inches, draft 3 feet 3 inches, hydraulic swim platform aft, 4 standout innovations. First, beach mode. Hydraulic side balconies fold out at anchor, expanding the salon over the water. Second, a pass-through windshield from the salon directly to the foredeck lounge. Third, a Flybridge with dining, sunpad, and a fully equipped wet bar. Fourth, the side pantograph door beside the helm opening the bridge to the dock. 3 to 4 cabins plus crew, 3 heads. The full beam master is flooded with light from floor to ceiling glass and side windows the size of doors. A galley that opens to the cockpit. Bottom line, the 640 Fly is Galeon's case for what a flagship can be when innovation is built in from the outset. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.